Okay, we're rolling. Now this is actually the first Tater Tower I started. It's let's see what's in there. It had the whole potatoes in this one. The other one, I had some spuds that did not have much sprouts, and they all sprouted, and I planted them a week or two later, and then this guy was already sprouting up pretty good. They're both dying off. But the first one over there, it had over 14 pounds in potatoes. I weighed it on a good kitchen scale, and it just came out really nice. And so we'll get this thing out of here. But it's the first one. You see, mostly died off, not all here. But let's get going. I look for my notes on when I, whoops, there's still a thing in there. My notes were lost, though. I don't know where they're at. Keep good track of your notes. But it seems like these ones, especially early planting, but the soil was definitely over 50 degrees, probably more like 65. But yeah, the first one, if you didn't see my first video, there was 14 pounds of big honking spuds in that baby. And those were the ones that I cut. They were all cut. Oh, and I don't think there's another one down there. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. And this was whole potatoes planted in here. Oh, there is a screw in there. Yeah, where is it? Where are you? There you are. Hiding beneath the dirt. Yeah, look at all those bugs and things working really hard. And this one, it had whole spuds. Oh, all of them bigger than this guy, but yeah, looks like we've still got a good bunch in there. Notice where the elevation is. We got a few weeds going in here now too. That one was, oh, that one's not 18 inches deep or something like that. Oh, there's another little guy. Oh, that's a green one. Careful of the green ones. You don't want to eat green potatoes. Oh, see, here's another good potato. I like that. Yeah, we got some good things here. Get my drill out of there. Yeah. But this top, yeah, the top up here doesn't have much. So you know what? If you had a patio planter or something like that, maybe. Because see, yeah, nothing in the top. Nothing in the top. Very, very little. Some little guys here. Yeah. Well, there's little things up there. Oh, and look at all the worms. Now this dirt, it's a mix. There's a little, oh, what do you call it? Oh, what do you call it? Raised bed dirt in there. There's mostly mulch from a pile of grass, cut grass. Just went and piled it high, piled it. Oh, see, there's an eggshell. A few eggshells in here. And this one isn't coming out as successful, at least as far as I can tell. Yeah. Oh, here's an, oh, look at that boy. I tell you what, that's nice. That's an okay potato. Oh, jackpot! Look at that baby. Yeah. And these are russets. Okay, here we go. Yeah. And this one, well, it's deeper. I don't think it has any value from that top several inches. There's nothing up here. I did plant these. These are indeterminate potatoes. These are indeterminates, and yeah, the top several inches, there's nothing there as far as potatoes go. We got a mess of weeds. That's what we've got. It's weeds. We've got weeds. My best Monty Python accent there. Yeah. Don't you love Monty Python? It's fun. But down here we definitely have some good spuds. But yeah, a lot of grass seed. We got some deer droppings. The deer walk through and they leave some treasures to throw in. Yeah, so I don't know if we're going to get as much. These were the whole potatoes. I put in whole potatoes, and yeah, I can feel one right there. Oh, there's a couple of them. Yeah, see, those are good boys. I like. Yeah, oh, there's another couple tiny little guys. Of course, you're always going to get those probably. Yep. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, look at. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that character, man. Look at that boy. Tell you what, man, that guy's got some character. I don't know what that is or not. Yeah. Is that a rock or is that a potato? Here's another couple little ones. Oh, there's more eggshells. Oh, that's the ground down there. I'm hitting terra firma there. I put on a, just to keep the gophers out, I put on some. Yeah, look at that bad boy, man. That's all right. We're getting some good things out of here. Yep. Oh, God. This is solid dirt. We water it frequently. That could be another factor. I think it's good dirt. Lots of water. And, yeah, oh, look at that. Yeah, we've got some fine specimens in here. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. There's a nice little potato. Nothing too big. Yeah, I feel something here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, more. Yeah, another here, another there. Yeah, oh yeah, see, that's an alright guy and a little boy with it. Here's another little feller. Yeah, and this dirt's kind of packed. It is. We watered it frequently. Yeah, we did. Yeah, so that's what we got here. Yeah, the top of the tower. This one's taller. Yeah, we didn't get much. And that side, mind you, there's not as much over there. Yeah, I'm not finding any more here. Eggshells and goofy things. Yeah, I don't see much more here. But that's still a pretty good pile in there. Like I said, the shorter one actually got 14 pounds. And I don't know if the compression has reduced the growth or not here, because this was taller. But I would say, from my results at least, is we have a taller tower with actually fewer potatoes than our other one. There we go. Let's look at those boys. I got it on a tripod and got it fixed up stiff. But I think this is going to be less than the smaller one. And those others were cut into pieces, and these were originated with whole potatoes. And so I don't think this is going to be the 14 pounds that the other one had, but you know, I might, you know, like those are 6-inch boards. What is that? You know, 12, 18 inches. Maybe make a Tater Tower 18 inches at the max, and see what, because the top layer, the additional stuff that was above this, didn't have anything. So yeah, Tater Tower is a good place to plant, especially if you've got limited spacing to plant things. But yeah, these guys, most of them from the bottom, and these are indeterminate russet. What's the name of it? I forget now. But maybe I'll make a note later. But yeah, here we got it. 2 different Tater Towers. This one was from whole potatoes, the other one was from cut up pieces. And actually I think I got a lot more bigger potatoes in a little less time than this guy here. So y'all have fun now.